Welcome back, guys, to and today we are talking about, I know, while I wear this, we're going to be talking about this guy. It's another microphone. Watch out. Oh, I'm just kidding. Yeah, let's get through the unboxing. You guys settle down. Alrighty, so we're going to take a look at this guy here. Let's see what, oh, no, it's magnets. Oh, wow. But yeah, any specs that I really need to take to? Well, I mean, I guess what comes in it. So obviously the microphones come with it. Windscreen. So they come with windscreens, which is pretty cool. I gotta check that out. It comes with an auxiliary cable and has a Type-C cable, a lightning adapter, Type-C adapter, and a travel case. So very similar to my DJI that actually what you're listening to right now. Ooh. Ooh. So yes, so open up the case, put the microphone on you or onto other person. You can basically either clip it or magnetize it, so similar to the DJI. And then you use the adapter, either the Type-C or the Lightning, or you can use the 3.5mm, plug it into the camera. So let's take a further look. Look at this guy. Ooh. And similar to DJI, this case does charge. In fact, you can see the little light up things there. Yeah, these are, ooh, that's pretty cool. And they have the little pins there, so they sit right on the dock. And I'm sure, I have earbuds from these guys. Ooh, this is a chunky boy. Definitely bigger than the one that I have for DJI. But I mean, that's also understandable because I'm sure. Because DJI also has a kit that has two microphones, and I think theirs is just as big as this because they have information at the top, and then they show little bands of where the what do I want to say? The bands whenever people talk, so you can see where it peaks and stuff like that. And obviously, you want to have one for each of the microphones. Yeah, and then a nice little plug-in. That's the Type-C. And I like the connectors. Those are really cool. Okay, and I do see it there. Okay, I do see it. So I don't know if you guys can see it too well. So then one way is to lock and the other way is to unlock. So obviously to twist it this way to unlock. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So DJI basically has, has an arrow, and then you basically just slide it on, and that's it. This is a twist. I don't know which one I would prefer. I don't know. We'll test it out and we'll see how that works. So this guy has a nice, that's a rugged bag. What's the inside? Same kind of stuff. In fact, it looks like it has a little pouch for two things here. So if you're in it, you've got your main bag, but then you have another almost inner pouch here where you can slide some other stuff into here. Maybe the cables, charging cable and stuff. Let's take a look. And we got, this is probably documentation. Oh, nope. These are the other, are these the screens? I think they said that those are like the windscreen things. I'll have to look again, because otherwise they look like just regular clip-on things. Yep, and then here's the 3.5mm. That's pretty cool. Nice little wind there. Help keep it all nice together. Yeah. Looks like Type-C to Type-C. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice cable too. Yeah. Okay, now these are probably the windscreens. Yeah. Take them out of their little bags. Yeah, here we go. These are interesting looking. And they're interesting looking because let's grab one of these guys here. 3.5mm guy there. Oh, and I'm curious if that's got a headphone thing. I wonder if this could even like plug in and just use this as a microphone. That'd be interesting. We'll have to check that out. Yep, and then the only thing we got left here is just the quick start. Oh, quick start. Phew. The thing's heavier than the box. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, quick start. You got your QR code, on and off, all that fun stuff. I'm not going to worry too much about going through this. But yeah, there we go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, don't forget to click and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up if you like the video. We're going to take a look at this product and we'll come back with a full review later on. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as always, stay charged and stay safe. We'll see you next time.